In early July, a group of 11 teachers from Jesuïtes Educació did a training program called Becoming a Trauma-Responsive Educator with the educational psychotherapist Marie Delaney. The aim of the course was to empower staff to deal with trauma and loss in the classroom and support them in being an inclusive educational environment. At present, a growing number of children are affected by adverse experiences such as trauma, loss, bereavement, traumatic separations, bullying, abuse, parental mental health difficulties, and addiction. How can we help these students settle to learn? Topics and classroom techniques included the power of language, the importance of grounding and relaxation activities, the importance of structure and routine in our lessons, checking in, the need to connect with our students, the need not to take things personally. Also, strategies to be active listeners, to notice different patterns of behavior, to be aware of our own patterns, and to manage ourselves. As participants of the course, we feel truly grateful for such a wonderful opportunity. This course has been a chance not only to learn new skills for professional development and do our bit to become a more trauma-responsive school, but for our own personal growth. Because from Crosshaven, we have also come back with fresh insights, more confidence, and new friendships.